Chucky, and welcome to the second episode of the annual Firework Show! Now, you may be asking, why aren't you doing an episode in the summertime? Well, because I wanted to! And we have a special guest, welcoming Sticky!
Hey guys, you know me, I'm Sticky. I'm the cool green dude. Anyways, why are we doing an episode in the summertime again? I don't know. Where are the fireworks? It's a firework! Let's go!
Happy early 4th of July!